Okay, starting with numerical number 19. A string 1 meter long. So here we have the length of the string, that is 1 meter. Fixed at one end. It is fixed at one end, rigid support, and is moved up and down with frequency 15 Hz. Due to this, a stationary wave with 4 complete loops gets produced on the string. Okay, here I have drawn 4 complete loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 complete loops gets produced on the string. Only this 4. Find the speed of the progressive wave. V is asked of progressive wave. Okay, which produces the stationary wave. Of course, the stationary waves is produced. That's the reason we have 4 loops. Hint: remember that the moving end is an antinode. The moving end is an antinode. If I consider till here, then it would be a node. So I'll increase it and say the open end, the end from where I am moving the string, there I have obtained antinode. So now if we see how many antinodes we have, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now so what will be the distance till here? From here to here, what will be the distance? From node to antinode, successive antinode, it is lambda by 4. So from antinode to successive node, it is lambda by 4. Similarly, lambda by 4. From here till here, it is lambda by 4. If you go through the theory, you will understand this. It is lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, and till here it is lambda by 4. So how many lambda by 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 lambda by 4. 9 lambda by 4 is the length. From here till here is the length of my string. But what is the length given to me? It is 1. So 9 lambda upon 4 is 1 meter. So lambda will be 4 upon 9 meter. So this gives me the wavelength. We have this formula: V is equal to n lambda. N is 15. Lambda is 4 upon 9. So 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 5 into 4 upon 3. 5 4s are 20 upon 3. This is 3 6 are 18. 2 remains 0.20. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. This goes on. So I'll be writing it as, I'll cancel this 6 as it is greater than 5. I'll add 1 over here. So this is 6.67. And we are finding speed. So it will be meter per second.